Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Ironbeam Futures, a powerhouse futures trading platform. Are you serious about futures trading, or you're just thinking about dipping your toes into this fast-paced world? This video is for you. We'll go through what Ironbeam is, who it's for, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and whether it's truly the best platform for professional traders in 2025. Ironbeam is more than just a futures trading platform. It's an all-in-one brokerage, a trading platform, and clearing firm rolled into one. And that's a big deal. Why? Because this means you're not routing your trades through multiple third parties. Ironbeam has direct access to the CME group and other exchanges, giving you low latency execution, fewer points of failure, and potentially better pricing. If you're a high frequency or serious day trader, that direct exchange access can make a significant difference. And here's what I really like about Ironbeam. They've been around for years, yet they continue to innovate. In 2025, the platform feels sleek, modern, and built for real-time trading. But don't get it twisted, Ironbeam isn't necessarily designed for beginners. This platform is tailored more toward professional traders and serious retail investors who need advanced tools, customization, and speed. Now let us talk about the main features. Professional charting suite. You're looking at over 300 built-in indicators, advanced drawing tools, and the ability to save custom layouts. You can even layer multiple markets on the same chart for intermarket analysis. Server-side bracket orders and OCOs. You can automate your exit strategies with stop loss and profit targets that run on the server, meaning even if your internet drops, your trades are still protected. Direct market access. Your orders are routed straight to the exchange. That means faster fills, especially during high volatility. If you've ever been slipped on an order, you know how important that is. Multi-asset and options support. Futures, options on futures, spreads, you name it, it's all built into one cohesive interface. Free level 1 and level 2 market data. For non-professional traders, you get free access to real-time order, book data for CME products, and no monthly fee. This alone can save you some money. API for custom automation. If you're into building trading bots or running algos, Ironbeam offers API access so you can plug your strategies directly into the platform. Now let us talk about the pricing. Ironbeam platform itself is completely free to use. However, there are commissions. Ironbeam doesn't publicly list their commission rates on the sites, which is a bit of a downside. However, they're known for being very competitive, so if you're trading in decent volume, you want to negotiate directly. Also, there are no account minimums to get you started. You can open an account with whatever you're comfortable risking, which makes Ironbeam very accessible for both small and large traders. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Ironbeam. First, the pros. Direct CME access and low latency execution. All in one. A platform, a broker, and clearing firm. Powerful charting and automation tools. Free market data for non-pros. Low day trading margins and no platform fee or account minimum. How about the cons? Some users report platform glitches or freezing, especially during high volume news events. Margin requirement changes are not always communicated clearly or in real time, and it may feel overwhelming for brand new traders due to its pro-level features. So, is Ironbeam the best platform for professional traders in 2025? If your top priorities are speed, flexibility, powerful tools, and direct access to exchanges, Ironbeam is absolutely one of the best platforms out there. It's built for people who treat trading like a business, not just a hobby. And the fact that it combines execution, charting, API access, and clearing under one roof is a huge advantage. You're not bouncing between a separate broker, data provider, and a trading software. So for these reasons, Ironbeam can be on your shortlist in 2025. But if you're a total beginner or require hand-holding and tons of educational material, you might find it a bit too advanced. And that's it on the review of Ironbeam Futures. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Ninja Trader, AMP Futures, and Tradovate. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.